Book of Heaven, Volume 12, March 14th, 1920. The martyrdom of love surpasses in an almost infinite way all other martyrdoms together. My state is ever more painful, and while I was swimming in the immense sea of the privations of my sweet Jesus, of my life, of my all, I couldn't help lamenting and also speaking some nonsense. And my Jesus, moving in my interior, sighing, told me,
"My daughter, you are the hardest martyrdom, the crudest pain for my heart, and every time I see you moan and petrified by the pain of my privation, my martyrdom becomes more bitter. And the spasm is such that I am forced to sigh, and moaning I say, 'O man, how much you cost me! You formed my martyrdom to my humanity which, taken by folly of love for you, took upon itself all your pains. And you continue to form the martyrdom of the one who, taken by love for me and for you, offered herself as victim for me and for your sake. So my martyrdom is continuous. Even more, I feel it more vividly, because it is the martyrdom of one who loves me, and the martyrdom of love surpasses in an almost infinite way all other martyrdoms together."
Then, drawing his mouth close to the ear of my heart, moaning, he said,
my daughter, poor daughter, only your Jesus can understand you and compassionate you, because I feel your own martyrdom in my heart."
Then he added,
"Listen, my daughter, if with the chastisement of war man had humbled himself and come to his senses, other chastisements would not be necessary. But man has raged even more. Therefore, in order to make man come to his senses, more terrible chastisements than the war itself are needed, which will happen. Therefore, justice is forming voids, and if you knew what void is being formed in my justice with my not coming to you, you would tremble. In fact, if I came to you, you would make my justice your own, and taking the pains upon yourself, you would fill the voids that man forms with sin. Have you not done this for many years? But now the obstinacy of man renders him unworthy of this great good, and this is why I often deprive you of myself. And in seeing you martyred because of me, my pain is so great that I become delirious. I moan, I sigh, and I am forced to hide my moans from you, without even being able to pour them out with you, so as not to give you more pains."
Thank you for being a part of our community here at Divine Will app. If you enjoy listening to Jesus' lessons on how to live in the divine will, please give this video a thumbs up. Your likes help us reach more souls yearning to live in the kingdom of the divine will. We'd love to hear your thoughts and reflections, so drop a comment below. Your insights not only enrich our community, but also inspire others on their spiritual journey. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. By joining us, you're helping to spread the news of the kingdom of the divine will, so that together we can bring His kingdom to reign on earth as it is in heaven. In the divine will, always.